Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can buy themes on Dress to Impress. So make sure you're in the lobby first to obviously buy the themes because you'll need the theme for the next round. So once you voted for everybody and the intermission has started, you are going to go here. Okay, so it's just going to announce who the winners are. And then to buy the theme, I don't have enough to buy themes right now, but you're going to make a custom theme and then you're going to type it here. You need to buy it, but you are just going to do that, and you can even select which runway you want the theme to be in. So for instance, you want it to be a TV show, so it's like iCarly. If you can't type that in, you can just use numbers and hopefully people will understand, because some of them you can't type the name. Like Ariana Grande, you can't really type her name in Roblox, so keep that in mind. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.